Hi, welcome to Click It Builders. My name is Bo, and I'm excited to share with you today a revolutionary product, one that is a total game changer. We're talking about our affordable prefab modular homes that are built in 30 minutes without tools. If you are an organization, a nonprofit, a municipality, or an individual looking for a rapid and durable housing solution, stick around and I'm going to show you exactly how our homes are a great solution for you. So here is a picture of a model unit, one of our homes, and the beautiful thing is they are built by anyone. All the components, the foundation panels, the wall panels, the roof panels, they are all lightweight. They can be picked up and set in place by anyone, which we'll see here in just a couple minutes. To build a whole shelter like this, it only takes 2 people. It's a really easy and simple assembly process. Think Legos, but for adults. There are no screws, there's no nails, there's no hardware. You don't need any special skills. All the pieces simply click and snap together. The components are modular. All the panels are interchangeable. You can swap them out, you can swap them around. You decide where you want the window and door to go. If you don't like the location, you can just move them around, modify and readjust as needed. The homes are durable. They have an incredibly strong and rigid structure. The panels are made from a composite FRP, which is fiberglass. The material has incredibly high strength to weight ratio and is also corrosion resistant. So the lifespan for a home is 30 to 40 plus years. The homes are weatherproof. They can handle wind loads of 130 miles an hour, which is equivalent to a Category 4 hurricane. And they can handle snow loads of 60 pounds per square foot, which is adequate for elevations up to 8,000 feet. They are reconfigurable. Since the panels are modular, you can change the size of the homes. So the width of the homes here, you can either go 8 or 12 feet. And then lengthwise, you can go as far back as you need in 4-foot increments. The homes are secure, so they provide a safe and secure livable space. The doors lock, the windows lock, and the panels, the wall panels, the roof and floor, they can only be disassembled from the inside. They are reusable, so the homes can be assembled, disassembled, and stored, and then reassembled again. And this can be done hundreds of times. If you're done using the shelter, you can just pack it up and store it. That way you have a ready-to-build home on hand. And if you're a company, you could have tons of these and just have an inventory of ready-to-build homes, ready to go. And then the homes are flat packable. This is another beautiful thing. The homes are extremely easy to ship. You can fit an entire home like this in the flatbed of a pickup truck. And for large orders, 10 to 15 of these fit into a truck or a shipping container. So you can save a ton of money on shipping costs because you're not shipping air, as they say. You're not shipping just one modular home per truck. You're fitting 15 of these durable homes into one truck, which is super efficient. And then they are customizable. So there's a handful of color options. You can increase the insulation value. You can go higher with the wall height. You can add accessories such as a heater, an AC unit, a bed, a desk, a workstation. You can get an awning like this with a light and a front porch bench. So this home is now more like an actual home. And on top of that, you can add bathrooms, you can add kitchens, office rooms, you name it. This is a housing solution that scales to your needs. So because the homes can be built by anyone, they are modular, durable, reconfigurable, secure, reusable, all these things, they are a perfect solution for any situation where you need fast and durable shelter. So think, emergency housing, natural disaster relief, workforce housing, homeless and unhoused shelter, migrant housing, something we need dearly right now. You name it, our solution scales to your needs. All right, so here's a video showing how easy it is to set a panel. You can see 2 people just pick up the panel. It's lightweight and set it into the bottom track. So the metal extrusions here, they click and snap together. They have a little design where they snap together. And just like that, without screws, without nails, without hardware, you can see how simple it is to build a wall. All right, here the roof panels are being set. You can see right there, so the metal extrusions go in. And with just 2 to 3 people, a ladder, you can set the roof panels. They set in this top track, go right in, they slide in, and just like that, you have a roof for your home. Here's a completed home built in under an hour by just 2 to 3 people without any tools. It has a few windows, it has a door, it's got an electric panel, and as soon as it's built, it is ready to be connected to power. So you now have a durable, weatherproof, insulated building that can be used for shelter. You can also live in it. It can be hooked up to utilities, plumbing, sewer, and you can build a kitchen, a bathroom, etc. So pretty cool. Here are the features of the home. The insulation of our base unit starts at R10, and an advanced unit would be at R15. You have the option to go all the way as high as R30. So these homes are super well insulated and energy efficient. You have a wall height here of 8 feet. You can also go up to 10 feet, and the roof is going to be 2 feet higher. So if you have an 8-foot wall panel here, the roof is going to be 10 feet. If you have 10 feet, the roof is going to be 12 feet. And then you have windows, doors, and electric panels that are already assembled into the panels they come with. Then the roof option right now is a pitched roof, so it would just be one angle, and then it would come down right here. This gable roof, this gable style, is going to be available next year in 2025. Then you have custom sizes. Because the homes are modular and made from panels that are 4 feet wide, the width and the length of the increments are in 4 feet. So you can either do like an 8 by 12, you could do a 12 by 16, you could do 12 by 24, you could do 12 by 2400. You can go as far as you need. You can change the colors. So the wall panels, you can have, there's a handful of colors you can choose from. You can add on accessories. So you can add a heater, an AC unit, beds, shelves, workstations. And then the homes, like I said, are durable. They are fireproof, water resistant, bug, mold, wind resistant. They are durable structures. All right, so how do we stack up and compare to the competition? Here's how ClickIt compares to the other rapid and durable shelter options. First, one of the main questions is always price. Well, comparing our price, apples to apples, we are 5 to 20% lower across all unit sizes. So from day one, you get an instant savings, a better bang for your buck, and ROI. And then you look at the durability. So our homes, they have a lifespan of 30 to 40 plus years, whereas others are about 5 to 15. Then our homes are truly modular. All the panels can be swapped, they can be interchanged. If a panel gets damaged, it can be replaced with a new one, no problem. Plus the homes can be expanded, reduced in size, transfigured. The sky's the limit. There are endless possibilities. Whereas these other solutions, they are not truly modular, so they are a set size. What you get, what you buy is what you get. You have one use case that can't be expanded and transformed in the future. Here we've got a higher wind load and snow load, and we don't require hardware to build, whereas the others do. We don't need tools, skilled trades, or any special skills or construction experience. The other options you do. Interior wall height, ceiling height is higher. You have pre-assembled windows and doors with bars that also come with an electric panel. The other options don't have this. The insulation value is higher, so you start at an R10, whereas the others are R4, and from there you can go up all the way to R30. So you have a much more energy efficient home. And then the homes come with power hookups, AC, heating, bedding, shelving, safety features, which is all standard across both. And the warranty, when you look at that, ours is at 10 years and others are at 3 to 5 years. So overall, you can clearly see you get a lot more bang for your buck with a better, more cost-effective, versatile, energy-efficient, and insulated, durable modular home. Use cases. So what can these be used for? Well, the structures and homes are great for any scenario where you need rapid and durable shelter. So it's perfect for emergency housing and humanitarian aid, such as helping the homeless and the unhoused, the migrants, and refugee housing, something we need dearly right now. It's a great solution for disaster relief and those replaced by hurricanes, earthquakes, fires, floods. You can also create tiny home villages or micro communities, which are a great and proven stepping stone in helping people get off the streets and into permanent housing. Then there is workforce housing and lodging. So for companies such as like oil and gas companies, ski resorts, agricultural companies, construction companies, any organization that needs to house employees temporarily or for the long term, it's a great solution. Also, it's great for remote workforce housing because these homes are super easy to build and they flat pack, can be shipped anywhere. It's a great solution for remote work housing. Same thing applies to the military housing, like barracks and garrisons. We use for that and serve those who have served. And then storage solutions. It's great because you can now have a conditioned space that is safe and secure, and you can expand it into the future if you need to. And then there's all the other use cases you can think of. So tiny homes, ADUs, camping, glamping, hunting. Since an entire home can fit in the flatbed of a pickup truck, you can ship them to a piece of land you own. So if you're going camping for the weekend, if you're going hunting for the weekend, you can just pack it up, go out into the wilderness, set it up, and have a good time for the weekend. So there's tons of recreational uses, but on top of that, there's tons of commercial applications. So for schools, temporary classrooms, medical centers, pop-up stores, restaurants, music and food festivals, you name it, there is unlimited potential. All right, so our services, what do we offer here at Click It Builders? Well, first, we can deliver the homes to you. They will deliver to you flat packed and ready to be built right away. We also offer a full turnkey setup for bigger orders. And that would include the site infrastructure, the grading and leveling of the dirt, connecting to utilities, a full-scale community build-out. And then on top of that, we offer engineering services. We have a structural engineer on our team who can design foundations, perform any other engineering work that needs to be done. We can also train your team on the setup and installation process. So we wouldn't build out the homes or the communities ourselves, but we can train your team on how to do it on the step-by-step process. Last but not least, here are a few of the main questions that people have, and I'll just answer them real quick. Can I really build the homes without tools and construction experience? Yes. Everything clicks together without tools or hardware. No skilled trades or special skills are needed to build these homes. We are really opening up home building and shelter to the masses. All you need is a ladder to assemble the roof, put the panels on the roof. A rubber mallet is helpful so that you can hit the panels and make them flush together, and then some work gloves. So it really is as simple as Legos and IKEA furniture. In fact, it's more simple than IKEA furniture. How long does the product last? The lifespan is 30 to 40 plus years. The panels are made from durable FRP fiberglass composites, and then the extrusions in the posts, the corner posts, are made from aluminum. Both materials are structural, corrosion-resistant, mold, rot, and water-resistant, which makes it a robust, durable, long-lasting structure. Are the structures and panels reusable? Yes. All components are modular, so they are versatile and can be reconfigured. If a panel does happen to get damaged, it's completely replaceable. You just order a new one, it gets shipped to you, and you replace it, no problem. The homes can be assembled, disassembled, and reassembled hundreds of times without any hurdles or problems. What are the foundation options? So the homes can be secured with guy lines, with stakes, an auger system, or connected to a permanent foundation. Like I mentioned, we have a professional structural engineer on our team, so we can design the foundation specific to the required wind loads, to the use case, to the duration of use. What is the lead time? Standard panels and colors ship within 1 to 3 weeks. And then if you're doing a custom order with accessories, parts, etc., it's going to be an additional time. What is included in an order? The substructure, the wall and roof panels, electric panel, the windows, the doors. Additional items can be included for an expense, and those include like an AC unit, a heater, beds, desks, workstations, etc. How do I get a quote? So please email us at hello@clickitbuilders.com or call us at 303-997-1557. And for more questions, you can visit our FAQ page, which is this link right here. Or, like I mentioned, call or email us. We are happy to help. All right, so thank you so much for your time. We're super excited to get this product and solution out there and into the hands of people who need it most. We need more affordable housing solutions. It is something we are passionate about and are working hard every day to make better and more accessible to the masses. So with that being said, feel free to email and call us anytime. Again, my name is Bo, and thank you very much for watching.